Curious about the intriguing world of car accessories that dance on the edge of legality? Get ready to explore 10 forbidden car gadgets that bring a rebellious twist to your ride. Number 10. Reflective Window Tint. Gila Window Tint is a fantastic car accessory that can transform your ride. With this nifty gadget, you get style and privacy, as it covers both side windows. It's designed to block 97.5% of light and reduce heat by 42%, making your driving experience more comfortable and safer by reducing glare. The best part is that you can easily install it yourself, no need for professional help. But it's essential to be aware that the super dark tint, while adding a sleek look to your car, can obscure visibility, especially at night. In some areas, it's even banned due to safety concerns, so always check local regulations before using it. Number 9. Police Light Strobe. Police Light Strobe, a device aimed at enhancing your visibility and road safety, is worth considering. While it can add a distinctive and stylish flair to your vehicle and help you navigate through traffic effectively, it's important to be mindful of potential consequences. Law enforcement may not appreciate its use, and being caught with such a police light could lead to legal trouble. Therefore, exercise caution and consider the implications before installing and using this gadget on your vehicle. Number 8. Engine Control Module. Engine Control Module, the brains behind your car's performance, demands attention. This crucial component is all about programming and setup, ensuring your ride's vital systems run smoothly. GM Service Info is your trusted source, delivering the lowdown on necessary procedures and tools. It's the genuine deal, GM recommended and crafted to OE specs for that flawless fit, form, and function. With ECM tweaks, your vehicle's engine control system gains extra horsepower, providing an exciting driving experience. However, it's vital to note that this modification has faced bans over emissions cheating and safety concerns. So exercise caution and take legal restrictions into account before making any changes. Number 7. Amazon Echo Auto. Amazon Echo Auto, a revolutionary gadget that can turn any car into a smart vehicle thanks to its Alexa smart assistant. With just your voice, you can effortlessly manage car and home functions, eliminating the need to press buttons or interact with screens. It's a game-changing addition for tech enthusiasts looking to modernize their ride. However, it's crucial to remember that the compatibility of this gadget varies depending on car models, and it's restricted in certain countries. Before investing, be sure to verify its suitability for your car and ensure it complies with local regulations. Number 6. Bulletproof Windows. Bulletproof glass, the ultimate safeguard for armored passenger vehicles. This transparent yet incredibly sturdy material acts as an impenetrable barrier against bullets, providing unparalleled protection against firearms, from handguns to high-powered rifles. While the concept is undeniably cool, it's crucial to note that the use of bulletproof glass often requires specific permits and authorizations. As a result, it is frequently banned due to stringent regulations governing the usage of armored vehicles. Before considering this remarkable technology, it's imperative to navigate the legal requirements and restrictions. While it offers unmatched defense, adherence to the law is essential to avoid potential complications and ensure responsible use. Number 5. LED Display Steering Wheel. The LED Display Steering Wheel, a remarkable car gadget, revolutionizes your driving experience. This innovative device seamlessly transforms your steering wheel into a high-tech dashboard, presenting key information like speed and RPM on its LED screen. What sets it apart is its effortless installation process, compatibility with nearly all car models, and its commitment to keeping your steering unobstructed. This gadget offers you a glimpse into the future of driving, combining style and functionality for a safer and more enjoyable journey. With crucial data right in front of you, your focus remains on the road, ensuring a heightened level of safety and convenience. The LED display steering wheel is the stylish and practical addition your car needs. Elevate your rides and stay connected with the road ahead. Number 4. Exhaust Flamethrower Kit. The Exhaust Flamethrower Kit is an attention-grabbing car accessory designed to add a fiery flair to your ride. This universal wonder promises to ignite your car's style game, making it stand out on the road. While it does require some welding skills, rest assured the spectacular results make the effort worthwhile. This kit, which is a top seller, can shoot flames soaring up to an impressive 8 feet high, and it comes complete with 12 V coils and coil wires for added convenience. Prepare to turn heads and light up the road with this eye-catching addition. However, it's crucial to be aware that this gadget is banned in specific countries due to concerns about fire hazards and potential damage. Prior to installation, it's essential to check local regulations and consider safety implications carefully. Number 3. LED floating car wheel caps. LED floating car wheel caps are a simple and effective way to enhance your car's aesthetics. These LED center hubs are designed for easy installation, replacing your standard hub with a stylish and attention-grabbing alternative. You don't need any special expertise to install them. It's a straightforward swap that adds precise road lighting to your wheels. These caps are built to last, with durability, waterproofing, and dust resistance. What's more, they are self-powered, eliminating the hassle of needing batteries. It's essential to be aware, though, that LED floating car wheel caps are prohibited in many countries. Using them on public roads can result in legal consequences. If you're willing to take the chance and want to give your vehicle a unique touch, these caps offer an intriguing option for personalization. Number 2. Automatic control parking system. The automatic control parking system is a cutting-edge device designed to remotely manage your car's steering and movements during parking, all without being inside the vehicle. However, it's crucial to be aware that this system is subject to restrictions in certain areas. These limitations are primarily in place due to safety concerns and the potential for misuse, which could include reckless parking or interference with other vehicles. Before considering the adoption of the automatic control parking system, it's essential to familiarize yourself with local regulations and carefully assess the potential consequences of its use. Number 1. Car rear end alarm laser. Car rear end alarm laser is a valuable tool for car owners seeking enhanced visibility during challenging weather like rain and fog. Sporting an impressive 200 megawatt power capacity, its vivid red light remains highly visible from a considerable distance, reducing the risk of potential accidents. This gadget offers affordability and lets users customize their lighting preferences, adding to its appeal. Nevertheless, it's essential to acknowledge that the car rear end alarm laser carries the risk of blinding other drivers on the road, posing a safety hazard. For this reason, there are calls for its prohibition due to the potential dangers it may create. Prior to utilizing this device, it's crucial to consider the safety implications and adhere to any relevant regulations or restrictions. That's all for this video.